So guys, I want to show you guys a way some kind of organization or scammers are trying to scam through your Facebook. About a few days ago, my Facebook got access to, I was being given the option to monetize my Facebook for just getting paid from Facebook, from fans or reels videos, advertisements on my videos I post on my page. You can see my page. So right on my page, I got up to 20k, 21k plus followers. You can see it here. I got up to 21k plus followers. So when they see your page like this, they always that is when they'll start bombing your page or sending you text messages or chatting you on Facebook. But this one, a scammer chatted me on my page, on my Google account, which is this one. Here's her name, Rowena. So this Rowena Roy, at first she sent a message saying, "Hello, would you like your page to be placed on our content on your? We would like to pay you to place our content on your page." It's listed some brands, some real brands, Puma, Nissan. When you see those tests like that, you'll be like, wow, it's a very good idea. At first, I just wanted to test them, not as if I fall into the stuff. I wanted to see how real it was or how, because I'm very sure when I start responding to this kind of messages on my Gmail and it gets to a place they ask me to give access to my Facebook or give um or put my Facebook password or username. No. That is when I'm very, very aware that this is scammers. So I said yes, I'm interested, and she was replying fast. She said, okay, you're interested in providing you sponsor ADS. So she said 1,000 multinational companies like IBM, blah 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 nonsense. And they said they were going to pay me 600k, $600 per ADS I post. That can be earning up to 1,200k per day. That's interesting though. When you kind of a type that likes money, anyway, everybody likes money. But this information, oh my god, when you see this kind of this offer, yeah, you cannot resist it, except you are so determined and you know you know how these scammers work. So I was like, wow, even when Facebook they say will not give you that kind of amount, then a company will give you kind of amount like that. So she sent some message again. She said, "Let me know where you want to receive your payment: PayPal, Paytm, Venmo, Bitcoin, Cash App." So I selected Western Union because I'm kind of used to Western Union than any other payment option. So when I selected payment, sorry, after that I selected Western Union. Sounds good, Western Union. Okay. Then she now said I should check your mail inbox, send me screenshot, let me clear everything. We manage by yourself and blah blah blah. When I saw this message, this kind of English written, my mind was telling me this should be an Indian scammer. But sorry, I don't mean to, it could always be an Indian scammer, but I know it was a scammer though. So I was asked to go to my social and then click on it, send them a screenshot of what I see there. Okay. So that was when I stopped messaging them. So just today, I went back to my Gmail. I went to my social option there to see what they sent. So I went to my social. I clicked on social, and I got this message from them. the message, the message said you've been given access to advert account 100. Doctor, Arrow has given you access to advert accounts, run a business on your Facebook page, blah blah blah. Omo, this looks like a real message from Facebook. Anybody could fall for this. Look at the details. The details are saying from Facebook notification mail.com, no reply. As in just like Facebook. Oh my dear, this is all worked up, man. So I decided to click on the get started, which I know with just this click they cannot get access to my account. Never. Because I already protected my account with second factor authenticator code, a lot. My account is like so I clicked on get started and I was redirected to this page. Oh my god. Look at this page. Exactly. If you are so used to Facebook Manager, Business Manager, this is how it looks like. Look at it. The meta suit. Like you'll be like, wow, truth. This is for meta suit. And you check down here again, you see options too. My God. So I was asked to input your name. So I didn't want to give them my real information. I just typed any name I feel like typing. Let me just use any name. Client scam. So I clicked on continue. If you keep on going further, the more you keep on going further, the more your account is going to be wiped out, man. So imagine I imputed a wrong name, but they said that Facebook has not verified your details. Like seriously, that Facebook hasn't verified my details. Or, like seriously. So it reached this stage, I knew it was a very very big scammer. So I quickly went back and I sent a. I'm very used to like abusing scammers a lot, so I just sent them a very very long insult. I sent a very very long insult. So after sending insult to them, I just had to block the page. I blocked the email from sending me messages. So guys, be very very careful of these scammers because they looks very very real. Like their messages are so real. If you check, if you are so used to this Gmail stuff, check when you check understood, you check who is sending the message. You will see everything. Meta platform. Look at it. Meta platform down there. But they're all scammers. So guys, protect your page. Avoid clicking on this kind of emails. You get maybe sometimes you can just decide to stress them, but just make sure you don't fall into their scamming tricks. So guys, thanks for sticking around.